Hey everyone, Dr. Frank here, and I'm shooting a video outside my office today. September 18th happens to be a very special day for me for a couple different reasons. Number one is I married my wife on this day 15 years ago, so today we're celebrating our 15-year wedding anniversary. My wife Jama, I've known her now for about 17 years, and we got married September 18th, 2009. Number two is today is the day that the first recorded adjustment took place back in 1895. There was a man named Harvey Lillard who was a patient at Palmer School of Chiropractic back then. It was before it was actually Palmer School of Chiropractic. D.D. Palmer actually had him in his office, and he pushed on his back, not knowing that there would be such a miraculous recovery. But Harvey Lillard had hearing issues, and he was basically deaf. And after that adjustment that he did, it actually restored his hearing. So this story of chiropractic started with the miraculous recovery of hearing to Harvey Lillard, and the word spread about this adjustment and this treatment that cured his hearing. And the word started spreading about how great chiropractic was, so people started giving it a shot. And lo and behold, 129 years later, it's one of the best professions in the medical field, in my opinion. It's one of the best ways to help reduce inflammation, get rid of pain, really find the cause of the problem that is causing the issues in your body. So I wanted to offer you, if you're already a patient, if you haven't brought your family in, or if you have a friend that maybe hasn't done chiropractic and is just dealing with some issues, we'd love to have them come in. And I wanted to offer this to you for the rest of the month of September. In honor of September 18th, I wanted to offer this to you for $18. I wanted to offer you our first adjustment, x-ray, exam and range of motion, posture scan and foot scan for just $18. So I wanted to offer that to you from now through the end of September to honor September 18th as the first day of the history of chiropractic. So happy birthday to chiropractic, happy anniversary to me, and give us a call, 615-567-6683, and we can schedule that appointment to you for just $18. I'll see you soon.